first things to do to the hand washing is make sure that you're a little bit far from the sink. And then, wet your hands. Like that. Good morning, everyone. I am Nurhay Fasahi, a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BS, and Weekend 1. Today, I will be doing the return demonstration of neurological assessment. But first of all, I've already did my hand washing, which we call the infection control. I've already knocked the door to ensure the patient's privacy. I'm going to close the curtain and I will greet the patient. Good day po, ma'am. Ako po si Nurhay Fasahi, second year nursing student. Today, I will perform a neurological assessment on you. Nakasuot na po ako ng complete PPE and I ensured patient privacy and safety. Nag-perform na rin po ako ng hand hygiene, ma'am, at magsisimula na po ako. So now, this is the mental status of the patient. Letter A is the level of consciousness. Ma'am, anong pangalan niyo?
Fatima.
Ma'am Fatima. Nasaan po tayo ngayon?
Sa hospital.
Anong petsa po ngayon?
July 29.
Okay. So, as what I've observed, the consciousness of the patient is awake, patient is alert, patient is an oriented person, place, and time. So, letter B is the appearance and behavior of the patient. Calm, cooperative, neat appearance. And letter C is the speech of the patient. So, pakibanggit po ulit ng buong pangalan nyo, Miss Sahi.
Fatima Santos.
Miss Fatima Santos. So, as what we saw now, speech is clear. So now, the second one is we're going to check the cranial nerve of the patient. So, olfactory. Pakipikit po at amoy nyo ito. Pagpipikit po ng mata, ma'am, at amoy nyo ito. Ano pong naamoy nyo?
Paminta.
Paminta. So, ang naamoy nyo po ay paminta. So, cranial nerve 1 is intact. So, optic, selen. So, now, cranial nerve 2, which is the optic. Snellen, near chart test, visual, acuity intact. Ma'am, nakikita niyo po ba yun? Ano po yun? Deer. So, patient eyes is intact. Ma'am, can you open your eyes po? So, visual acuity of the patient is intact. Cranial nerve 3, cranial nerve 4, and cranial nerve 5, which is the oculomotor, trochlear, abducens, perla, and cardinal gazes are all intact. Kaka-check ko po ulit. Everything is intact. So, cranial nerve 6, trigeminal. Pakisabi po kung nararamdaman nyo ito. Pakinganga po at ngumiti. Nganga at ngumiti. So, cranial nerve 6 is intact. Cranial nerve 7 is the facial. Pakismile po. Pisil mata. Pabuka labi. Pabuka ng labi. Okay? Symmetrical movement, intact. Cranial nerve 7 is the vestibulocular, whisper, Tess, and Romberg. Ano po? Narinig niyo po ba ako, ma'am? So, hearing and balance are intact. And then, glossopharyngeal and vagus. Pakilunok po. Pakilunok po, ma'am. Sabihin niyo po, ah. Ah.
Ah.
Habang lumulunok, sasabihin niyo pong ah.
Ah.
Okay? Swallow and ovula midline are intact. Accessory. Shoulder shrug, hands again, head turns again. Ganun po, ma'am. Kabila po. Cranial nerve 9 is intact. Hypoglossal, pakilabas ang dila, ma'am. Kaliwa. Kanan. Full. So, midline and full movement are all intact. So now we will be going to the motor system. Observe bone and tone, normal. Muscle strength. Pakitulak po ng kamay ko, ma'am. Pakitulak po ng kamay ko. Tulak. Okay, hilahin niya na lang po. Kabila. Okay, dalawa. Okay. Muscle strength are intact. And then the sensory system, light touch, which is the cotton, vibration. Yung vibration po, ma'am, yun na po yung tuning fork. Ma'am, pa-straight pa ako ng paa niya, ma'am, pa. Okay? Tanggalin pa natin to. So, nararamdaman niyo naman po. Did you feel anything, ma'am?
Yes, I can feel.
And then, all sensory functions are intact. Biceps, triceps, patellar, reflexor are normal. Lahat naman po, ang flexion, negative is everything is normal. And then the cerebral function, finger to nose, cerebral function. Lagay niyo po ganyan. Sige. Ganyan. Sige. Ilagay niyo po sa point. Ganyan. Isa pa. Ibalik niyo po. Isa pa. One more. One more. One more. Okay po. Head to chin test. Ganyan po. So, intact naman po. So, dito po nagtatapos ang ating assessment, ma'am. So, tapos na po ang neurological assessment. The patient is alert and oriented. Cranial nerves are intact. Motor and sensory function are within normal limits. Coordination and reflexes are normal. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. And lahat po ng nangyari po ngayon ay confidential between me, you, at your and the attending physician po. Maraming salamat po, ma'am, and have a good day. Thank you.